Page 122, Sixth Sense. In this lesson, we're covering the interval of a sixth. Remember, interval of a sixth? It's 6 notes. It's start here. I'd start on any note, but here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, and this is on 6. Big deal. You can read all that. I don't care. As far as Sixth Sense goes, what we're doing is we're starting out with a fifth, and then we're spreading out to a sixth. Because at piano, on its 5-finger positions, the outside fingers have to cover 2 notes. So the thumbs have to cover 2 notes. You're not moving the hand, just the thumbs. And the little fingers have to cover 2 notes. This way we can cover more notes. Well, the sixth is not in a 5-finger position. It's 1 note out. So we got to do that. So here we're doing thumbs coming down. Here the little fingers going up. We get practice at that in both hands. And you want to get to where you can do this without looking at the keyboard. You want to feel this moving one key up or down, or without looking eventually. And that's really all this is. I'm not going to bother with a play with me. They're just half note. You can do that. There are better fingerings than this, but we need to practice with the thumb and the little finger going out. So that's good. If you have any questions on this, let me know. But otherwise, I don't have a lot to say about intervals of a sixth other than they exist. You need to know what they look like. Similar. One note's on a line and the other note's in a space. And there's lines and spaces or whatever in between. Or one note's in a space and the other's on a line. Similar to fourths, except they're further apart. They say at the bottom to transpose this down where the right hand starts here, and because it's starting here, and the left hand starts here where you're in C position. Well, it's the same thing. You just thumb goes down, the little finger goes up, and the same thing in the right hand. Thumb goes, or little finger first, and then thumb. So you can play this in any 5-finger position, and because you're only using the outside notes, you don't have to worry about the black keys in the middle. I could do it here, in this position. Wherever. It doesn't really work that well in any position, but the idea is you can move around a little bit and transpose this to other parts of the piano. Play around and experiment with the sounds you get.